In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the new NVIDIA drivers in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so what we need to do is first we need to download the NVIDIA driver app. So from here, just open up a web browser, go to Google and then type in NVIDIA driver app, then hit enter. And now on the first link here from NVIDIA.com, download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators. So go ahead and click onto that link and then you'll come to the official website of NVIDIA, and where it says NVIDIA app, there's a green download button. Go ahead and click on download. It's only a few megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's about 150 megs, so it'll take half a minute if that, depending what internet speed you got. So once that downloads, we want to open it up. So I'm just going to give this a few more seconds. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click onto the download. If it doesn't appear there, just go to your download section inside your computer and then click onto it that way. I'm going to minimize this page to make it easier to see. So as you can see, it's loading the app now. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you on the next step. Alright, once it's installed, it's going to open up. Alright, then once it opens up, it will say select a preferred driver. So depending what type, how you use your computer, if you're more of a gamer, go ahead and click on Game Ready driver for gamers, or if you're more of a creator, go ahead and click on the NVIDIA Studio driver. So I'm more of a creator these days, so I'm going to click on Creator and then click on Next. And now click on Next again. Enable the NVIDIA overlay and then click done. Then from here on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Under home, click onto drivers, and then in my case I've got the latest one already installed. But if it will say update here, if you don't see update, or if it says reinstall, that means you've already got your drivers already up to date. But it should say a green button called update. If it doesn't, just go ahead and click on the refresh button and then click on update. And then go ahead and update to the latest version, and it should take, I think it took me about 10-15 minutes, just depending how fast your PC is. And then once that updates, you have successfully installed the latest NVIDIA drivers on your Windows 11 laptop or PC.